Have you ever felt ready for intimacy in your mind, but your body didn't follow through? For many men over 50, this is one of the most frustrating changes. But here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. It just needs the right support. And sometimes that support is as simple as the vitamins you take each day. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Today I'll share 3 specific vitamins that directly support erection strength, blood flow, and energy, and how to take them the right way so they actually work for your body. Stay with me until the end for a clear plan you can start today. Vitamin number 1, Vitamin D, the foundation vitamin. Vitamin D, the sunlight vitamin, is one of the most important for men's health. As we age, the skin becomes less efficient at producing it, and indoor lifestyles make it worse. Low vitamin D means stiffer blood vessels, weaker testosterone, and lower stamina. But when taken the right way, with a meal that contains healthy fats like avocado, salmon, or olive oil, your body absorbs it fully. Vitamin D keeps blood vessels flexible, boosts nitric oxide for circulation, and supports testosterone. Think of it as the foundation for restoring firmness and vitality. Vitamin number 2, Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 acts like your body's spark plug. It keeps nerves firing and blood rich with oxygen. Without it, energy falls flat and blood flow weakens. Many men over 50 are deficient without knowing it, because stomach acid decreases with age, making absorption harder. That's why the sublingual form, dissolving under your tongue, works best. Taken in the morning, it bypasses digestion and goes straight into the bloodstream, fueling red blood cells, nerve function, and oxygen delivery right where you need it. Vitamin number 3, Vitamin C, the circulation shield. Most people think of vitamin C for colds, but for men over 50, it's also one of the best for erection strength. Vitamin C boosts nitric oxide production, the very compound that relaxes blood vessels so blood can rush into the penis. It also shields vessels from oxidative stress, keeping them strong and flexible. The trick? Split your dose into morning and evening, because vitamin C is water-soluble and flushes quickly. A steady supply keeps circulation primed for firmness and stamina. When you combine these 3, Vitamin D for testosterone and vessel health, Vitamin B12 for oxygen and energy, and Vitamin C for nitric oxide, you create a powerful foundation for performance. They're not quick fixes. They're daily tools that restore balance over time, helping your body function naturally, the way it was designed. So here's my advice. If you're over 50 and want firmer, more reliable mornings, start today. Take Vitamin D with a fatty meal, Vitamin B12 under your tongue in the morning, and Vitamin C twice a day. Be consistent, and in time you may be amazed at the strength and confidence that return. Remember, your body is still capable of strength and energy. You just need to give it the right support.